everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your contacts from your Android phone over to your iPhone right here. And this is actually really easy to do. So the first thing we want to do is just upload our contacts to our Gmail account, and then we can just sync it on our iPhone right here. So let's go on over to the phone option, and then we can go over to contacts in the bottom right. Now, typically you're going to have an option for settings in the top right or the top left. So let's go to settings right here. And then we can go to where it says contact settings. And we should have an option that says like move contact to other storage location. We can just do that. And we probably have our contacts saved to our phone, but we can go to a different location like Samsung phone. So depending on where it's all saved to. And then just go to the contact. So let's go to my brother, Jimmy, hit his name or her name or whatever name you're trying to upload, and go to done. And then you have to choose the location. So we're probably going to contacts. Actually, we're probably going to be saving everything. So let's go on over back here and then hit phone and then go to all in the top. So I have 8 contacts right here. Then go to done. And now we want to upload them to our Google account. So you can see, okay, it's uploaded on here. We can go to move. Okay, and now everything is on our Google account and it's uploaded. Now we can take our contacts and we can update them on our iPhone. So here's my little iPhone SE from 2022. All we have to do is go to settings, and then we have to go to mail. So we're under settings, scroll on down to where it says applications. So it might be at the bottom, the last option. Perfect. Go on down to where it says mail. So we got to find mail under here. There's Gmail. Don't go to there. Here's mail. Then we want to go to where it says mail accounts, add account, and then we want to choose from list. And then we can just sign in with Google. So you have to open up an internet browser, sign in with your Google account, wherever it was on your phone, and then you can get those contacts over on here now. So we can go back, one more time. Now when you add your Gmail account, you have to come back in here to under mail accounts, go to mail accounts, and make sure contacts is turned on and synced right here. So if I turn this off and on, I should be able to sync it now. Delete from my iPhone, no. Delete, no, I don't want to do that, keep it. So just make sure it's turned on for contacts, and you should be able to sync them from your Android phone now over to your iPhone relatively easy. So there's the option for that. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.